Hello friends, I'm Professor Nedu Raghuvaran, District Vice President of IYC Kerala. As you all know, we are facing serious situation, a war against COVID virus. Big question is, are we prepared for this situation? Is it possible for us to win this war without a weapon? There are several questions that arise in our mind. What is a weapon? It is nothing else but vaccines. It is the best weapon to win this fight against COVID virus. Now the question is, do we have sufficient vaccines in our country? Answer is a big no. Then what is our government doing? They are just trying to create false impression that they are doing the best. But at the same time in India, the death rate is increasing day by day. And we don't even have enough space for the cremation of the bodies. Do we need to sit simply like this by suffering everything? No, we need to speak out. We need to find the solution for this situation. According to data, only 30% of the entire eligible population will be vaccinated by the end of this year. Is it sufficient for us? No. We need at least 35% in the urban area itself. The gap that exists between vaccine production and supply could have been significantly reduced by better planning. But what our government done? The slogan of the COVAX initiative led by WHO itself is, no one is safe unless everyone is safe. That means universal vaccination is needed to avoid resurgence of this virus, as we are now in the second wave in India. 1 year back, Rahulji said that a big tsunami is going to hit India in the form of virus. Did anyone listen to it? Never. But our Modi ji is busy building new parliament for around 20,000 crore. And also the government imposed huge GST on vaccines, medicines, oxygen cylinders, PPE kit, ambulance, etc. etc. Why do we need such an irresponsible government? Why do we need such an irresponsible Prime Minister? We don't have enough ventilators, we don't even have enough oxygen cylinders, vaccines, etc., medicines, etc. Where should we go? What is this government doing? They just use this situation as a weapon to win the election. After a few months, sometimes we will enter into third wave in India. Are we prepared for that situation? Do we have sufficient research wing to study and to prevent that situation? There are several questions that comes in our mind. We need to speak out. We need to raise our voice to find the solution, to get justice to our people in our country. Jai Hind.